Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I myself was able to fix Intune Company Portal app not working. So if you're currently having that exact same problem and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself was that I actually firstly exited the app and instead we're going to open up our settings app. So go into your settings app and then scroll down in here and click on general. Then scroll down in here and click on storage. And by the way, for some of you that are of course also using an Android, you're going to obviously do the exact same thing also. Go into your settings and find storage in there. And now you should be taken to a page very similar to this. Now on this page, we're just going to simply scroll up until we can see the search bar up top, as you can see. So click on search here, and then you're going to search like this. So you're going to search for comp portal, but you will be able to see it probably just after you search on comp here, and just click on the app and then click on offload app, and once again click on offload app in here, then click on the reinstall app button in here and just wait for the app to completely update to its latest version. Quite often it's going to be very fast, like depending on if you have of course a great connection or a decent connection, it's going to be quite fast. Just wait for it to finish up the new update and then go back into the app, and hopefully now it's working for you as well.